Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing how we cook. It's no longer just science fiction. AI is becoming common in kitchens worldwide. Imagine a world where robots can cook your favorite dishes. This isn't a distant dream, but a rapidly approaching reality. AI brings exciting possibilities to the culinary world. It can analyze recipes, control cooking temperatures, and even create new flavors. This technology has the potential to revolutionize how we prepare and experience food. But what does this mean for the future of cooking? Will AI replace human chefs altogether? Or is there a way for technology and tradition to coexist in the kitchen? The answers are complex and require a closer look at the capabilities and limitations of AI in the culinary world.
AI is making impressive strides in the kitchen. AI-powered cooking systems can now perform tasks that once required human expertise. For instance, some robots can perfectly grill steaks, ensuring even cooking in a delicious crust. One of the most significant advantages of AI is its ability to analyze vast amounts of data. AI can access and process countless recipes, identifying patterns and optimizing flavor combinations. This data-driven approach allows AI to create innovative dishes that might never occur to a human chef. Moreover, AI excels at precision and consistency. Robots can replicate recipes with incredible accuracy, eliminating human error and ensuring consistent results every time. This precision is invaluable in professional kitchens and home cooking, where consistency is key to a satisfying meal.
Despite the remarkable advancements in AI-powered cooking, there are still aspects of the culinary arts that remain uniquely human. While AI might excel at precision and data analysis, it lacks the creativity, intuition, and adaptability that characterize human chefs. Cooking is more than just following recipes. It's about understanding flavors, textures, and aromas and how they interact. Human chefs can adapt to unforeseen circumstances, adjust recipes on the fly, and improvise based on available ingredients, skills AI has yet to master. Furthermore, cooking is an emotional experience. It's about sharing traditions, expressing creativity, and connecting with others through food. Human chefs bring a level of passion and artistry to the kitchen that AI can't replicate. They pour their heart and soul into their dishes, creating an experience that goes beyond the plate.
Section 4. A delicious collaboration, AI and chefs working together.